elevate your flight with a West Coast bite. Our in-flight menu features the best fresh flavors for the West Coast, picked just for you. Alaska One World. Sea Grounds Ginger Ale, naturally flavored with other natural flavors. So, buddies, what should you do when something's wrong with your airplane? And those are all the instructions for the airplane in case of an emergency. And let's read this magazine. Oh, I see. So it's not a magazine. Hold on. Let's just see. I know it's not a magazine. It's just for the menu. Just we're on a flight for New York, and we're on the Alaska Airlines airplane. That's that. 10,000 subscribers and I'll get that diamond play button. Bye!